Today I'm going to show you my fast track method for getting someone from one level of English to the next very quickly. It's pretty intense. Stick around, that's coming right up. Today I'm going to the Psychedelic Cafe to meet a girl named Grus, who is my student, and we are going to do some intensive listening and repeat exercises. So let's go over there now. So today we're going to do some intensive listening and pronunciation practice with Grus. So the method is that I'm going to read a little bit of a text and Grus is going to repeat it as she hears it. And I'm going to correct her as we go along. All right. So, research shows that when people work with a positive mindset, mindset, performance on nearly every level, productivity, creativity, engagement improves. Yet happiness is perhaps. Yet happiness is perhaps. Close. Yet happiness is perhaps. Good. The most misunderstood driver. Of performance. For one, most people believe. That success precedes happiness. That success precedes happiness. That success precedes happiness. Good. Got it?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Once I get a promotion, I'll be happy.
Once I get a promotion, I will be happy.
They think.
Or
once I hit my sales target.
once I hit my sales target. I feel great.
But because success is a moving target.
But because success is a moving target. Close. But because success is a moving target. You got it. As soon as you hit your target. You raise it again. Grus is struggling with small words. She knows words like creativity, but when she has a lot of small words in a sentence, she struggles to know what the words are when she's repeating them back. That's very typical. A lot of people can repeat large words that they know, but they can't repeat a string of small words. That's because in English, our words join together, and they may not be completely recognizable if you're expecting them all to be separate and apart. Okay, so but notice towards the end of the video, Grus begins to improve. She becomes more self-conscious and she thinks more carefully and listens more carefully. And this is the beginning of Grus
improving in the area of listening and pronunciation. And also this exercise helps her listening skills, it helps her pronunciation skills, and it also helps her grammar and vocabulary, because she's learning to hear how the grammar sounds in English. And then as she grows more and more able to recognize that sound, she'll be speaking much more accurately. That's it for today. I hope you liked today's episode. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified of all our future episodes. Thanks very much for listening. See you next time.